Hey friends, welcome to Đồng Xuân with Lisa. Everything's here if you look. Suitcases stacked up to the sky, leather bags hanging nearby, rows of sneakers, heels and flats, t-shirts folded, this and that, dolls with eyes that seem to smile, watching customers walk the aisle. Every corner something new, a treasure hunt with a city view. Đồng Xuân, where the goods all shine, shoes and bags in every design, clothes for every season's wear, toys and treasures everywhere. Bargain hard or just look around, feet stomp, buzz and city sound. Stall to stall, the hunt is on. Đồng Xuân, you can't go wrong. Vendors calling out the price, good quality, take my advice. Tourists pointing, locals know the best deals down every row. Plastic dolls in bright array, backpacks for a travel day, leather belts and shiny things. This market's got everything. Đồng Xuân, where the goods all shine, shoes and bags in every design, clothes for every season's wear, toys and treasures everywhere. Bargain hard or just look around, feet stomp, buzz and city sound. Stall to stall, the hunt is on. Đồng Xuân, you can't go wrong. Not a single bowl of pho in sight, just suitcases from morning light, bags and dolls and nylon strings. This is Đồng Xuân, market of things. Đồng Xuân, where the goods all shine, shoes and bags in every design, clothes for every season's wear, toys and treasures everywhere. Bargain hard or just look around, feet stomp, buzz and city sound. Stall to stall, the hunt is on. Đồng Xuân, you can't go wrong. Alright guys, this is where the magic happens. Shoe heaven at Đồng Xuân. Rows and rows from floor to ceiling, sneakers, sandals, so appealing. Leather canvas, every hue, pick a pair that fits you true. Flip-flops, boots, and high-top white, something for the day or night. Vendors shout, try this one too. So many shoes, what should I choose? Step, step, step into style. Walk these aisles for a while. Left or right, big or small, Đồng Xuan's got 'em all. Try 'em on and take a stroll. Find the pair that fits your soul. Bargain hard or pay the price. Shoe shop paradise. Customers all sitting down, lacing up around the town. Too small, here's half a size. Smiles and laughter, no surprise. Bright red pumps and classic black, comfy soles that don't hold back. Kids are running, moms compare. Shoe heaven everywhere. Step, 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 step into style. Walk these aisles for a while. Left or right, hey, big or small, Đồng Xuan's got 'em all. Try 'em on and side, boy. Step, step, step into style. Walk these aisles for a while. Left or right, hey, big or small. Woo! Don't Xuan's got 'em all. Try 'em on and take a stroll. Find the pair that fits your soul. Bargain hard or pay the price. Shoe shop paradise. Which pair would you pick? Let me know in the comments. Spooky little whisper creeping through the night. Thank you for watching. Explore with Lisa in the quiet. Never forget to smile, even with the lights down low. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Like and share before you go. Never forget to smile. Let the shadows know you're there. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Hit that like and share. Hey! Footsteps in the hallway glowing on the screen. Friendly little phantom asking you to join the dream. Hope you smiled. Please like and share. Stay for a while. Hit that subscribe. Come along for the ride. We've got more stories and cats worldwide. Would you be a sponsor? Lend a hand. We travel the road and feed stray cats across the land. Patreon, PayPal, or buy me a coffee. Every little bit helps us do what we do. A bowl of food, a purr in the night. You help us make sure every cat's alright. From city streets to desert sand, your support puts kindness in our hands. Would you be a sponsor or lend a hand? We travel the road and feed stray cats across the land. Patreon, PayPal, or buy me a coffee. Every little bit helps us do what we do.